Chevy with the top back. Butterfly doors, watch them flutter when I stop that. Aim in my palm, ain't no way I'll ever drop that. Stains dripping on the road, you can mop that. Pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, dripping on the road. Pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop, pop, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that. Aim in my palm, ain't no way I'll ever drop that. Drop that, 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 drop that. Big stains dripping on the road.
Hey yo, what's up mga katropa? Panibagong araw, panibagong adventure na naman. So for today's video, another okay shoes na ang ating bibistahin. So yan, kita niyo naman ang daming magaganda. So let's go. So unang bungad pa lang ng okay shoes na kaya na ito is marami talagang magaganda. Tingnan nyo. So meron din silang sale dito na 50 pesos saka sa because is 100 pesos sale. Pero yung 100 pesos sale is kaunti na lang. So dito tayo sa 50 pesos sale mamaya. So dito muna tayo sa mga magagandang sapatos. Best price nila is 300 plus to 700 yata. So tingnan nyo naman ang daming magagandang sapatos dyan. So yun, nakailaw ulera. So dito, tingnan nyo naman Nike Air Jordan ata to na meron siyang cement na looks. Yun, hindi ko lang sure na talaga Air Flight, Nike Air Flight. Shabo. So mostly sa kanilang mga sapatos na dito na side nakahilera is mostly mga magagandang sapatos tulad ng ito. Adidas CC version. Adidas CC. Sole niya is okay pa. Wala pang biyak. Tulad ng AC natin na napili. Meron siyang biyak. Pero dito, sa halagang 350 pesos. Ganda masyado. Meron din silang sari-saring magagandang sapatos dito tulad na dito. Tignan nyo. Ganda ng Puma na ito. Yung dito na side is mga good condition na kunting sole lang pero overall presentable pa rin yung mga sapatos. Ito ay nagkamalaga ng 500. So meron din silang Air Jordan dito. Prices sa may sole, pero overall recently lang pala shop na ito na nag-open noong January 27 lang ata yun. Makikita nyo naman. So yan, tignan nyo naman, no? Nike Air Max 2013 yan. Oh, ganda pa rin, no? Yung air sole nila is okay pa naman din. Sexy po. Shabol. So mag-montage na muna tayo ng mga sapatos natin. 900 eh? 400? Sheesh. Tuyok mo silo. So, unbelievable guys. Yung hinahunting natin na sapatos is nandito lang pala sa kanila. Sheesh. Too sweet. So, condition is tulad na minimal lang muna. Minimal lang din. Pero overall yung sapatos is all clean. May yellowing lang dito. Nakikita nyo. Normal lang din yan sa mga rubber na white. Mag-yellow talaga pero kaya lang din yan oxidizing cream. Yan. Sheesh. 400 pesos to na sapatos. I'm sure may babalikan akong dito na sapatos. Kasi nakabili na tayo nung yung first vlog natin na part 1 ito. Nakabili na tayo ng dalawang sapatos sa 50 pesos. So kung yung nakita. So yan. Sheesh. Babalikan natin to. Size 8.5 ito. Pumas mo. Tingnan natin. I-try natin kung sakto ba sa atin.
Yeah. Money make the world go round. I'm trying to get a dog right now. Everybody worry about the crown big. Look, homie, I'm the man right now. Talking to a peon, kind of time we on. Jump roll like the kind of take eons. Got a little buzz, it's time to go beyond. Can't look back, no time to hit rewind. Yeah, she wants to do S class. I'm like, boo, you must ask. They pour way too much in your glass. Just move your hips like a whole up class. Hit the gab, I talk that gap. Strut like up, man, I walk that shit. When I'm up, that's it. I'ma start living reckless. Get that bag, I'ma walk like this. Yeah, I'ma walk like this. Hit that lane, I'ma walk like this. Walk in the spot, but they all get lit. Told them on flow, let me talk my shit. Every song bang, when they drop in hit. Said on the man, post stop, no miss. Over your head, next time, don't slip. Play your part, better read that script. Yeah, I'ma walk like this.
So yan, may nakita tayong Puma Suede. Ang ganda boy. Tingnan nyo naman. Sheesh. Ito yan talaga yung dream shoes ko. Pero sa pagkakabay ito, wala tayong budget na pambili na ito. At least ma-feature natin kung may gusto na kung may wrong neck, kung mayroong nagdidream sapatos ito, dito lang to sa shop. So ililinkdan ko lang yung location nila sa description below. So tapat lang ito ng Prince Warehouse na dito sa Pardo. So tapat lang to talaga ng Prince Warehouse dito sa Pardo. So kung may nagustuhan kayo sa dito sa sapatos, ang dami nila. Ang gaganda din ng mga sapatos na dyan. So kayo nang bahala bumibita dito at saka i-check nyo yung lahat ng mga sapatos dyan. I-assure ko sa inyo na marami talagang magagandang sapatos dito sa part na to. Dahil newly open sila noong January 27. Talagang legit guys, ang dami magaganda at saka mga original na mga sapatos dito. So dyan na muna, kayo nang bahala na mag-search dyan. Dami talagang magaganda. So doon na naman tayo sa peak sa Jollibee. So dito na part na side or sa left side ito to, sa right side. So meron pa rin mga pogi shoes na mga Converse style. So yan, ano pa dyan. So meron dito Minecraft style na Nike. So high cut Air Force 1 Nike Blazer to Blazer. Yep, Nike Blazer na collab sa Minecraft Have a good game, yeah. Minecraft. ito na yung sale nila na 50 pesos. Tingnan natin kung meron bang maganda. So as I have seen, you can see mga maliliit na size na New Balance, steel toe. So may New Balance dito, meron din New Balance dito, another New Balance, Converse, tag 50 pesos na ito, and another Converse na may tag pa na Converse, guys. Converse 50 pesos lang yan. Merong Nike running shoes na Flyknit. Yup, free for Flyknit. Free Flyknit. Number 4. So mostly sa nakita ko is mga Converse. Ang sale nila natag 50 pesos. Sale 50 pesos. So kung may natipuhan kayo ng mga magagandang sapatos dyan na aking na-video or na-feature, ipipindan ko lang yung location nila dito sa ibaba kung gusto nyo bumisita. Nadami nilang magagandang sapatos dito. So tapat lang ito ng Queen's Warehouse dito sa Pardo. So salamat nila ma'am. Shout out sa inyo nga sa inyo. So shout out sa kanila. Pinalayagan nila akong mag-vlog dito sa kanilang shop. So ang dami lang mga solid na mga sapatos. So visit this place now. Approve. Legit, magaganda sila. Meron silang magagandang sapatos. Wala muna tayong bibilhin na sapatos nila. Nakabili tayo sa first na ating pinuntahan na occasions. So maybe next time talagang babalikan ko yung Puma Suede kapag hindi yun na ibenta nila. So if you happen to love this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa mga susunod nating mga videos. So see you again next time. 3, 2, 1.
Really come to party, I just came to get my money right. You really wanna party, you should know that I don't pump and fight. Everybody wanna step up, you can step up and get up tonight. Everybody know I'm with it whenever, okay, you know that's right. Right, 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 I'm in that old school Chevy with the top back. Butterfly doors, watch them flutter when I stop that. Aim in my palm, ain't no way I'll ever drop that. Stains dripping on the road, you can mop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, dripping on the road. Pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop, pop, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that. Aim in my palm, ain't no way I'll ever drop that, 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 drop that. Big stains dripping on the road.